study about important environmental acts for the purpose of NET and SET exams. They are Kyoto Protocol, Montreal Protocol, Rio Summit, Convention on Biodiversity, Environmental Protection Act, Paris Agreement, and International Solar Alliance. Kyoto Protocol. Kyoto Protocol is an international treaty which extends 1992's United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, that is UNFCCC. This Kyoto Protocol was adopted in Kyoto, Japan on 11th December 1997 and entered into force on 16th February 2005. There are currently 192 parties to the protocol. Objective of this protocol is to reduce global warming by reducing greenhouse gases concentration in the atmosphere. Kyoto Protocol applies to 6 greenhouse gases. They are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, hydrofluorocarbons, perfluorocarbons, and sulfur hexafluoride. So this Kyoto Protocol first commitment period was from 2008 to 2012. Montreal Protocol. The Montreal Protocol is an international treaty. It was designed to protect ozone layer. So its aim is to phasing out the numerous substances which are responsible for ozone layer depletion. It was agreed on 16th September 1987 and entered into force on 1st January 1989. So according to Kofi Annan, perhaps the single most successful international agreement to date has been the Montreal Protocol. Rio Summit. The United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, UNCED, it is also called as Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit. It is held at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil from 3 to 14 June in 1992. In 2012 also, the United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development was also held on Rio and is also commonly called as Rio Plus 20 or Rio Earth Summit 2012, as it is held from 13 to 22 June. So it is decided to launch a process of development called SDGs, that is Sustainable Development Goals. So Agenda 21 is the product of this Earth Summit 1992. Agenda 21 is a non-binding action plan of United Nations with regard to sustainable development. Biodiversity Convention. The Convention on Biological Diversity, that is CBD, also known as Biodiversity Convention, is a multilateral treaty. Convention has 3 main goals. They are conservation of biodiversity, sustainable use of its components. Third one, fair and equitable sharing of benefits arising from genetic resources. Convention was opened for signature at the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro on 5 June 1992 and entered into force on 29 December 1993. Paris Agreement. It is an agreement within the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change dealing with greenhouse gases emissions mitigation, adaptation and finance. It was signed in 22 April 2016 and it is located at New York City, United States. Its long-term temperature goal is to keep the increase in global average temperature to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels and to pursue efforts to limit the increase to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Environment Protection Act. This act was enacted by the Parliament of India in 1986 due to Bhopal tragedy. The main objective is to provide the protection and improvement of environment. National Action Plan on Climate Change. This action plan was launched on 30th June 2008. They focus on promoting understanding of climate change, adaptation and mitigation, energy efficiency and natural resource conservation. There are 8 national missions. You can go through that. International Solar Alliance. It is an alliance of 121 countries initiated by India. Most of them are sunshine countries which lie completely or partially between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Objective is use solar energy to reduce dependence on solar fuels. First initiated by Narendra Modi in a speech in November 2015 at Wembley Stadium, that is in India-Africa Summit. He referred sunshine countries as Suryaputras.